Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's video, we will learn how to make an image transparent by using Remove.bg. So let's get started. The first thing we will do is open a new tab. Here we will type remove.bg. It will take us to this website right here. Once we have this website, let's say we want to work on our slide presentation here, but we need images for our Bitmoji classroom. So what we're going to do is, let's say we're going to type student or students, clipart, and hit enter. And we get a ton of images, and so not all of them will be transparent because we did not write transparent in front of them. And even when we do write transparent in front of them, a lot of times they don't come out to be transparent. So then we just end up searching and searching and searching. And one thing we have discovered is that we can take an image. So let's take this one, for example. I will show you what I'm talking about. Um, and I'm going to copy image and I will come back to my presentation. And let's say I'm working on this slide right here. Let's try to get a background. So choose image. And I was already looking for like a transparent floor and wall background type of thing. So I think I'm going to select this one. This one looks kind of new to me. I haven't seen something like this before. So I'm going to say done. And now I have my classroom ready. So let's paste the students. As you can see, I can resize them and move them to wherever I want to position them, but they're not transparent. So that doesn't look so cool in our classroom, right? It doesn't look that good. It doesn't look like it belongs. So what do? Well, let me go back to the image so I can show you what is the alternative that you can do. You can right click on top of the image. So hover right over the image and then right click. Once you right click, you get the option to save image as. So we're going to click save image as, and I'll just save it on my desktop or on the download. I'll just save it on the desktop. It's easy to find over there. And I'll call it students and CA or something like that for clip art. Anything that you can call it, it's up to you. So I'll save it and I have it right here now. And so we're going to go back to the website where it says remove.bg and it says upload image or drop a file. So anywhere on this page, here, anywhere, you can just drop and drag the image. Once you do that, Remove.bg does its thing and it has the transparent image ready for you. So now all you have to do is click download. Once you click download, you get another document here that has been saved and it says student CA remove PNG. So the image has been saved. So now let's go back to our slides presentation and let's try to delete this one because we don't need that one anymore. We have a new transparent image to work with. And as you can see, here are our students. And now they do look like they belong in this classroom. They look like they're very happy to be here in school and so or in the classroom. And then you can design it however you want. Whatever else you want to put in the classroom, you can do that. Whatever posters you want to put on the wall, you can do that. And if at that point you still need to make it an image transparent, you just have to do the same thing, go through the same process, and use the remove.bg website. So I hope this video was helpful and good luck and have fun creating your Bitmoji classrooms. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.